Today we're diving into the world of boat navigation systems in Florida. Navigating the open sea is more than just a compass and a map. At Concord Marine Electronics, we offer high-performance systems for unmatched precision. Our expert team custom installs advanced marine electronics, integrating radar, GPS, and chart plotting. Whether cruising Florida's coast or planning ocean voyages, we tailor systems for performance and peace of mind. We also provide satellite internet solutions like Starlink and Peplink Max BR1 Pro 5G. Stay connected with weather data, stream content, and maintain contact even in remote areas. Consider compatibility, real-time cartography, and a user-friendly interface for your navigation setup. Our systems feature precision GPS, AI route optimization, and augmented reality overlays. At Concord Marine Electronics, we equip Florida yacht owners for smarter, safer, and more connected experiences.